In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload file in OneDrive and shared link. 5 minutes. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know how to upload a file to OneDrive and generate a shareable link with the right permissions so others can access it confidently. First, sign into your Microsoft account in your web browser. Use your personal or work account, whichever holds the files you want to manage. Once you're on the Microsoft account homepage, look for the Apps Launcher, the grid or waffle icon in the top corner. Click that to open your list of Microsoft 365 apps. From the apps list, choose OneDrive. If you don't see it right away, use the search at the top of the launcher and type OneDrive. That will open your OneDrive home. Here, go to My Files. This is your main storage area where all folders and documents live, making it easy to stay organized. Now pick the folder where you want to upload your file. Selecting the right folder at the start saves time later, especially if you're sharing with a team or keeping documents grouped by project. At the top of the page, click the Create and Upload icon, then choose Files Upload. This option uploads a single file or multiple files you select on your computer. A quick tip, if you ever need to upload an entire folder, there's a separate folder upload option, but for now we'll stick with Files Upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the file you want to share, select it, and confirm. You'll see an upload status appear in OneDrive. Wait for it to finish. Larger files can take longer depending on your internet connection. When the upload completes, the file will appear in your chosen folder. Next, click the file to select it, then choose Share. This opens the sharing panel. Click the Permissions area to review access settings. Choose Can Edit if you want others to be able to make changes to the file. If you prefer read-only access, you can switch to Can View instead. Keep in mind that some organizations limit sharing options, so your choices may vary. When your permission is set, click Copy Link. OneDrive generates a secure link and places it on your clipboard. Now you can paste that link into an email, chat, or document anywhere your audience will see it. If anyone reports they can't open the file, revisit the share panel and double check the permission setting you chose. And that's it. You've uploaded a file to OneDrive, set the right permission, copied the link, and you're ready to share.